And it's time for one last final nudist beach for this 13th of October. It is 5:43 p.m. and the sun will be setting down in around 40 minutes. And I was passing by Strunjan FKK beach, and there were lots of nudists here today on the beach. Indeed, I was actually walking from Moon Bay or Mesečev Zaliv plaza, which is also a nudist beach, and from there it was very dangerous to go along the beach, so I would suggest you to come from Strunjan, which is on the other side. So yeah, another nudist beach on my channel, and this is how it looks like. I'm now on the very end of the beach, which is close to the public beach, as there were lots of nudists as I was passing by, despite the sun setting down already. So yeah, this is how it looks like on a October day like this. I was surprised to see so many nudists on the beach, for sure, but obviously I cannot film along. It is not appropriate indeed. So I'm gonna show you this beach from this end, but it is the same like this, with lots of trees, and it looks also nice in the water. So Strunjan, another city and another nudist beach, and this looks actually dangerous to be standing here as well. So the public beach is on that side, and from here we can see Piran as well, where the sun is going to set. That is where I saw the sunset yesterday. So yeah, FKK nudist beach, and a wonderful sunset we are seeing here today. It is 18 degrees Celsius in the air and 22 in the sea, and I'm so happy to be exploring one more nudist beach here in Slovenia. And it is my second day in Slovenia. Tomorrow I'm going to explore a few more beaches as well. So with that said, it's time to go into the water. So ready, set, and go! Ah, amazing. Ah. Brilliant. Let's dive in again. Strunjan nudist beach, ladies and gentlemen. This is how it looks like. Spectacular indeed. And I will be enjoying here with the sunset that will be coming in a bit, maybe here earlier than 6:25 when it was yesterday. So yeah, if you want a perfect nudist beach, then this one is for you. Quite huge indeed, and very crowded on a hot October day like this one. Alright, so it's time now for me to have a longer swim and enjoy in this beautiful golden hour here in Strunjan, Slovenia. at Strunjan, Nudist Beach. So thank you so much for watching this episode with me, and see you soon again with another beach adventure on the channel. Beach Adventures with Chris.